Male Fertility Self-test. The test kit includes a collection cup, semen transfer device, buffer solution, test cassette, instructions for use, and a test workstation. Not included but required is a timer. Abstaining from ejaculation for 3 to 7 days prior to testing is recommended for best results. Collect a semen sample directly into the collection cup, taking care to make sure it does not come into contact with hands, tissues, or any other materials. Replace the lid of the collection cup and gently shake the cup. Leave the sample to stand for 1 hour to allow liquefaction to take place. Using the syringe provided, draw 0.1 milliliter of the semen sample. Remove the cap of the buffer solution tube and add the semen sample. Replace the cap of the buffer solution tube and mix the contents by turning it upside down 5 to 10 times. Remove the small tip of the tube and then add 2 full drops of the diluted specimen into the sample well marked S on the test cassette. Ensure that there are no air bubbles trapped in the sample well. Start the timer and read the results after 5 minutes. Do not read the results after 10 minutes. If results are considered to be doubtful or inaccurate, the test should be repeated, ensuring that ejaculation does not occur within 6 days prior to taking the test. If results are still abnormal or if you have any concerns, then we advise you to consult your GP.